Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're diving deep into the Android world to uncover the steps for deleting your incognito history. It's a myth that incognito mode leaves no trace. Let's shatter that misconception today. If you find this informative, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So, incognito mode on Chrome gives the illusion of secret passage, where your online footprints vanish. But the truth is, a shadow of your browsing still lingers in the form of cache. So, if you want that complete peace of mind, stick with me and let's purge it. First things first, exit the incognito mode and make your way back to the usual Chrome interface. In the address bar, type or copy paste from the description chrome that//net-internals. Once the internal settings page loads, find DNS in the left pane and click on it. The DNS is essentially a directory that translates website name to IP addresses. To clear this record, hit the Clear Host Cache button. With that, your incognito breadcrumbs are truly gone. Feel free to continue your secure browsing. So, in a nutshell, that's a secret to making your Android's incognito mode genuinely incognito. For queries or feedback, drop a comment and we'll get back ASAP. Browse the description for more Android and Chrome guides. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!